Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and safety. Identify whether the sensor is a photocell, PER, or combined day/night unit, and verify its operating voltage. Once done, turn off power at the breaker and lock it out. You will use a multimeter to verify 0 volts. Next, expose the fixture junction and locate line, neutral, and load conductors. Make any cuts only after labeling wires and matching colors. Finally, mount the sensor bracket where it will see unobstructed light. You now make the critical connections. Attach the sensor's line to the supply line, neutral to the circuit neutral, and the load lead to the fixture's hot feed. If the sensor uses a relay, connect trigger or common per the diagram. Once connected, secure joints with proper connectors and insulate with heat shrink. Make sure grounds are tied. Then power briefly to calibrate sensitivity and delay while the sensor is exposed to typical day and night lighting. Make incremental adjustments until switching is consistent. You finish by restoring full power and running tests across several dawn/dusk conditions. Observe how the sensor transitions and whether the delay is acceptable. Make small sensitivity tweaks and then close the housing, sealing outdoor units against moisture, and positioning the sensor for an unobstructed sky view. Finally, secure all fasteners and label the circuit. If the sensor does not switch, here is one key troubleshooting tip. Turn power off. Verify continuity and correct L/N/.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.